Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make an isometric fighting game in Scratch. So first, take the Scratch cat. Now, for an isometric game, the character needs to have Now, in an isometric game, you're going to be able to move, not 3D, but in isometric 2D game, you're going to be able to move in 8 directions. So the character should have 8 sprites. But since I'm lazy, I'm only going to give the character 4 sprites. One for when the character is moving down. One for when the character is moving right. This is also for when the character is moving left, and finally one for the character is moving up. And these are quite enough. So currently, this character can't do anything. So when flag clicked forever, if then key space pressed, if then key W pressed, now copy paste this, change X by 5, -5. I have Scratch add-ons. I can change this to no. Oh yeah, I don't have Scratch add-ons. It's in another browser. Change Y by 5, -5. These are all key W pressed. This should be key W pressed. This should be key S pressed. This should be key A pressed, and finally this should be key D pressed. Oh no, I've got it all wrong again. Fine. Now we need it to change its costume. Now I'll switch costume to I didn't name the costume because I'm lazy. So switch costume to costume 2, costume 2, costume 3, which is the front facing one. No, more like the back facing one. This is costume 1. Anyways, so we need this to be able to point it to the other direction. Currently it's pointing in direction 90, and now we want to one key S is pressed. We want to point in the opposite direction. Oh, now everything's messed up. For all of this, we want it to point in the direction 90. Next, what we can do is that now it's time to create the actual fighting. I'll make a new sprite. Basically, you'll be able to shoot bullets at each other. If then key space pressed. Create clone of sprites 2. When it starts as a clone, go to sprite 1. Of course, this isn't a drawing game, so now forever, no, repeat until touching the edge, and then after that delete this clone. And with repeat until touching the edge, move 10 steps. Now this isn't really a good thing, since we wanted to shoot in the direction the player is facing. I'll go here for our sprite st. When it's up, set st. So 1. When it's facing down, set st to -1. Oh, why am I using numbers? It would be better if I use letters, but whatever. Set st to 2. Set st to 2. And set st to -2. Equals to, no, so say -2. Now I might as well just set this to directional coordinates. Anyways, change y by if st equals 1. Instead of moving 10 steps, change y by 10. If then st equals to -1, change y by -10. I'll duplicate both of these. If then st equals to 2, this will become change x by 10. Of course, it kind of allows us to do this, which we don't want. make another variable called sti. Now, when this clone starts, set sti to st. Now change all these to sti. Now it works. Now I'll make another player and another sprite. I'll just make this player to be red. And I'll just give this player outline to differentiate him. The players will be the same, except that this one to be controlled by IJKL. Create clone of sprite 4, SP when key, I don't know. Nine is pressed. This will go to sprite 2 and sprite 3. This still has the ST variable. Now, if then touching sprite 4 hide, and this one up here we show, and this one if then touching sprite 2 hide. Now and to hide the original sprites, and this one clone, whatever we call it, I'll show. Finally, the background. And I'll just add this. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.